Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we are making delicious grilled meat Bihari. Let's start marinate the meat. Here I have around 1 kilo of meat which I have already sliced thinly flat, rinse and drain out completely. To that we'll add 2 tablespoons of raw papaya paste, which is a great act of meat tenderizer, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1½ cup of yogurt which I have drained out the water also, 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1½ teaspoon of Kashmiri mild red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika or red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Finally, 1½ tablespoon of poppy seed powder. If it is not available, replace it by cashew nut paste. Drizzle some oil and mix all well. Squeeze half a lemon, let marinate for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, add 1½ cup of fried onions and mix well, and let again marinate at least for 2 more hours. Next, we'll grill the meat. In a large pan or in a cast iron pan like here, place the pieces one by one flatly to the hot surface. Cover and let cook around 35 to 40 minutes until the meat is completely cooked and tender. In the meantime, keep tossing so that every pieces of the meat cook perfectly. After nearly 35 minutes, I am shifting the meat on one side so that I can add some chopped pepper in cubic pieces and let grill again for 5 to 8 minutes. As you can see here, I have not let all the sauce in the meat completely dry out, as I preferably like it like this, but if you want to grill more you can. Next, to get the tandoor grill flavor, set a bowl in the middle of the pan and set some smoking charcoal into the bowl and sprinkle some oil on top of the charcoal. Cover as soon with the lid and allow the smoke to flavor the meat. Let it rest for at least 3 to 5 minutes and it's done. Here is my simple version of grilled meat Bihari, the meat with so much spiceful flavor, so tender and irresistible that can be accompanied with any side dish, like here with some veg fried rice and a tamarin and meat chutney. Hope you have liked my videos. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.